I got one of my followers. Remember? What do you think about that music?
Don't know.
What do you think about it?
I don't know. Well, we're at McDonald's finally. I made too many clips saying that I'll see you when we get to McDonald's, but I got bored and I like recording, so screw you!
Lock them up, but first things first, let's look around for a plugger.
Oh, there is none.
Are you sure?
Oh! My glasses! Down the hatch! I regret eating at McDonald's.